GPRO stock analysis price predictions news. In this 1-minute video, I will show you exactly how I would analyze and trade GoPro stock. I'm the only person in this space that's done 47,000 videos over 5 years and documented everything. And because I have the data, I've seen what's making money and what's not. Truth here is that not only, bro, this is so nice, like truly so nice. Let's just zoom out. Let's get rid of this. Oh, my bad. Hard time frame wise, definitely bullish. But here's the thing, do not just assume that I'm randomly going to start picking, randomly buying, right? No, even got this first break here. It's interesting because if I see a break beneath 210, then I'm going to need to see a full-on double break. But that's exactly the thing that I will even expect. So I'll have to wait. This is more so of a swing opportunity right now for me with GoPro, because that's the data and what it's showing me, at least for me. Please do your own due diligence, of course. And if you want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Cheers.